Here we have question 10. It is to find the perimeter of ABC with those vertices. So let's label it. This can be A at 1, 1, and B is at 7, 1, and C is at 1, 9. You can essentially now connect them. This is the vertical part, this is the horizontal part, and there is a diagonal part. Okay, let's label it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 can be A. And then I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B equals to 8. And this is the C, which is going to be the distance. Right? So here, if you want to find the perimeter, you just essentially have to, first of all, you have to find Pythagorean theorem. You have to get that distance. Okay? It's technically a triple, but I can show you the calculation if you would like. Okay? So it's A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. This is going to be 6 squared plus 8 squared is equal to C squared. 36 plus 100. 36 plus 64 is equal to C squared. 100 is equal to C squared. Square root both sides. You get C equals to 10. Right? Now, if this is 10, this is 8, this is A. The perimeter would be 8 plus 6 plus 10. So perimeter would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 units. There you go.